Bye bye.
Bye bye. Salut. Bonne journée. Okay. Yeah, it's a test. Let's go. So, you see that my dad-in-law doing the tree.
Hết luôn hả cha? Hết luôn hả?
Quý luôn cốt cho nó bự chứ. Con của mày chơi.
Yes, it's raining.
Rain?
Yes.
Ra mà.
Wow.
Yes, the weather of summer. My dad was yesterday. You eat one cake. He eat one cake and the cake they have like the sugar over the cake.
He break one teeth.
With the teeth of him full of sugar. So he put the remove, so he had to remove all the teeth, put on the rock water. It removed. At the beginning, he was still with that, but now it's okay.
Okay, baby. Yeah.
Đưa qua bờ để hai tâm á.
So, what's the name of the dish here?
Bánh canh.
You took banh canh.
Yes, bánh canh. So the noodle is different. It's like this.
Okay.
Yes, and the name is bánh canh.
And the name of this one?
Mì kind of mì khô, mean noodle, it's dry noodle. And they eat with the soup separate.
Okay.
Okay, me clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Only you, huh?
It's okay.
Not me. Oh, you did not give me the chopstick.
I give for you one chopstick here, baby.
Okay.
Draw.
Yes. But yes, maybe we have to change that. of rain. I will stop.
And he asked you if you when you eat that it's different with another plate when you eat that. And they show the noodle like that. It look like the noodle when you eat the with big sea. The
Yes.
plate we eat, yes, we say the taste different. It's more good than the other place. Because in normal they sell by kilo. So with him it's kilo, it's not good. Okay, I can see. He said you have to know the way. How to do the noodle.
Uh-huh. So we finish breakfast. We go back home.
No, we
No,
have coffee.
so we go to the coffee shop. My favorite coffee shop.
I think the rain is more.
But I have to hurry because it starts raining. Raining. Because we are now in the beginning of the rain season. Okay? The rain season starts in end of April. And now we are mid of May. So yes, we see more and more rain. Huh? Let's go. But it's funny because some part of the sky they are without clouds, blue sky, and at the same time it's raining here, but they're not raining. Xin chào.
Okay.
Come on.
Yeah, boss.
Okay. Cafe đá, com dung, without sugar.
Dạ. Dạ, ủa bữa nay ngày như bạn trai em vậy? Không có anh trai.
So we go.